recording.
Got it. Controlled. Controlled.
Under control.
And it was a clean. Oh, I'm sorry.
Cones are really slow.
Yes.
Plus 2 every cone. So
Got it.
Plus 2 seconds. Not good.
Got it.
53.019 remains his back.
I wouldn't hit that one. I'd have been faster that run then.
Chris Whitaker. He's looking to better a 53.4.
Just remember, you're gonna get out there, go to the left.
Can't believe I did that. It's the water. Yeah.
Did not DNF this time. I'm gonna wait. Yes, he did not, and he moves up into second place with a 49.4. Nice recovery after the first good run.
Left. Stay on the outside. Brake hard and right. Stay left. Stay left. Now slalom. There you go. Apex the turn. And gas coming out. Left. Left. And smack to the right. Stay right, brake hard, and go left. Stay outside. There you go. There you go. Right, real hard. Go left. Left, left, left.
Come on, baby.
Yeah. And back it down, back it down, back it down. What was that?
Oh, were you serious?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, that's not good. I wonder where it came off. I didn't hit anything.
No. 55 seconds.
Well,
It's probably just a mud flap.
maybe.
This all I've been saying heat is actually a lady. There's a lady driving that car. Doing a good job. Track is actually
He said there's a lady driving that car. Who's he talking about?
Go around.
Well, I'm waiting on Jay. I think he's going to jump back in.
Oh, okay.
What'd you lose?
The guy said it came off the car, but I didn't hit anything.
Oh, I know what that is.
What is it?
Just a stupid little flap that lives in the middle of the car.
Oh,
No,
okay.
it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Totally useless.
Gotcha.
You getting back in?
I'm back in.
No, you guys just keep doing it.
You sure?
Yeah, turn the camera around.
I just got one more, right?
So hit the button on the bottom.
This one?
I'll come around.
Okay.
Don't worry about
Sorry.
it.
Thanks.
Okay, we can back up the line.
Okay. I need to straighten up and hit those cons more than get closer to them on the inside on my side because I can tell where they are. I mean, I don't think I've done too bad for the first time ever driving like this. And I'm not competing, I'm just time only class, so it doesn't really matter. Excuse me.
The head was all we want to do 5-speed with whatever.
I totally stalled out.
Hmm?
That's why the car cut off. I stalled out.
Yeah. I know. I started it for you.
I know you did. I went to you, so I was like, oh, clutch.
I started out right back there because I forgot the clutch. Because like I do it all the time.
Well, you get used to just like
Driving without the clutch.
go see if the Porsche will let you ride in it.
I'm alright.
That's what Jay, he just asked them if they can take a ride in there. I can definitely do faster if I know the course. He took this out and flipped it around. I'm gonna let him do his though.
That's the mode. Rather than unscrewing. Just remember when you're taking the constant